Hello students, how are you all? I hope you all are fine. Enjoying the holidays? Yes. Okay. So while enjoying the holidays, do your studies also. Okay? Fine. Now let me introduce myself to you. My name is Rubina Miss. I am your Rubina teacher. And as you can see on your screen, which subject I am going to teach you? Yes, I am going to teach you maths. Now, in our last session, we learned about introduction to geometrical figures. Today, we are going to do a revision of introduction to geometrical figures. About introduction to geometrical figure, we saw different shapes and their corner and edges. Today, just we'll do a revision of introduction to geometrical figures. Now on your screen, which shape you can see? Yes, it is a quadrilateral. Now can you repeat the spelling of quadrilateral with me? Quadrilateral. Again, Quadrilateral. Next, which shape is this? Yes, it is triangle. Repeat the spelling. Triangle. 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 What it is? Triangle. Correct. Which shape is this? Yes, it is circle. What is the spelling of circle? Circle. Circle. What is the spelling? Circle. Circle. Which shape is this? Yes, it is rectangle. Which shape is this? It is rectangle. What is the spelling of rectangle? Rectangle. 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 Which shape is this? Yes, it is a square. What is the spelling of square? Square. Square. What is the spelling of square? Square. Square. Now look at the picture below and identify the geometrical figure. Now on your screen, can you tell me what is seen? Yes, it is a screen of a computer. Now identify the geometrical figure. Which shape is this? Yes, think and tell me. See the picture and answer. See the shape. Which shape is this? Yes, it is rectangle. What it is? It is rectangle. Now, what is this? Yes, it is a chessboard. Which shape is the chessboard? Yes, do you like to play chessboard? Do you play? Do you know how to play chessboard? Okay. Okay, tell me, which shape is this? What is the shape of the chessboard? See properly which shape it is. Yes, it is a shape of a square. What is the shape of a chessboard? It is the shape of a square. Correct. Wow, what is this? Yummy samosas. Are you missing yummy samosas? Yes, I am also missing yummy samosas very much. Now tell me, what is the shape of the yummy samosas? Is it a circle? No. Then is it a square? No. Then it may be triangle. Yes, it is triangle. See the shape of the samosas and the shape of a triangle. Isn't it same? Yes. So the samosas are of triangle shape. Now, what is this? Yes, it is a bangle. It is teacher's bangle. Now, which shape is this bangle? It is a circle shape. What is the shape of a bangle? Circle. See, the bangle is circle. Okay. The bangle is of circle shape. Now, In the last session, we also learned about edges and corner. Now on your screen, which shape can you see? Yes, it is a square. How many edges and how many corners does a square have? Let's count. Now see, what is this? This is a wall clock. What is this? It is a wall clock. Now tell me the shape of the wall clock. Is it a rectangle shape? Is it a square shape? Or is it a circle shape? It is a square shape. Which shape it is? Square shape. Now we will count the edges. 1, 2, 3, 4. How many edges? 1, 2, 3, 4. So a square has 4 edges. How many edges? 4. Now let's count the corner. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. A square has how many corners? 4. A square has 4 edges and 4 corners. Now, can you see all the sides of the square? Is all the side of the square equal? See properly. Yes? Yes. See, all the 4 sides are of equal length. So, a square has 4 edges and 4 corners. All the edges and corners of a square are of equal length. Now, which shape is this? Yes, it is a triangle. How many edges and corners does a triangle has? Let's see. Now, what is this? What is this? Yes, it is a bread slice. Now, which shape it looks like? It looks like a triangle. Now, let us count the edges of a triangle. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. How many edges a triangle has? A triangle has 3 edges. Now, let us count the corners. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. So, a triangle has 3 edges and 3 corners. Now the next, which shape is this? Yes, it is a rectangle. Which shape it is? It is a rectangle. How many edges and corners does a rectangle has? Now let's see. Now see this object. Is this object a square shape? No. Is it a triangle? No. Which shape it is? It is a rectangle shape. Which shape? Rectangle. So how many corners and edges does a rectangle has? Let us count. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. So a rectangle has how many edges? 4 edges. How many corners? Let us count. 1, 2, 3, 4. A rectangle has 4 edges and 4 corners. Now, in a square we saw all the 4 sides of a square were of equal length. But in a rectangle, the opposite side of a rectangle are of equal length. See, this side is opposite to this side. This side is opposite to this side. So, the opposite side of a rectangle are of equal length. A rectangle has 4 edges and 4 corners. The opposite side of a rectangle are of equal length. Now, which shape is this? Yes, it is a circle. Now, in circle, can you see any edges or any corners? No. See, which shape is this? Yes, it is a circle. Which shape? It is a circle. Can you see any edges or any corners? No, because a circle has no edges and no corner. No edges and no corner means a circle has 0 edges and 0 corner. A quadrilateral. A quadrilateral has 4 edges and 4 corners. Now, Today what we learned? We learned 5 shapes. What are they? Triangle. A triangle has 3 edges and 3 corners. Square. A square has 4 edges and 4 corners. All the sides of the square are of equal length. A rectangle has 4 edges and 4 corners. Opposite side of the rectangle are equal in length. A quadrilateral has 4 edges and 4 corners. A circle has no edges and no corner. Now we'll do an assignment. Who am I? You have to tick the correct answer. I have my 4 sides equal. Who am I? Am I a square? Yes. Or I am a rectangle? Or I am a circle? Who am I? Think and answer. Who am I? I am a square. Who am I? I am a square. Now the second question. My opposite sides are of equal length. Who am I? Am I a triangle? Am I a square? Or I am a rectangle? Who am I? Yes, think and answer me. Who am I? Correct. I am a rectangle. Very good. Now the next. I have 3 edges and 3 corners. Who am I? Am I a quadrilateral? Am I a circle? Or am I a triangle? Who am I? Yes, I have 3 edges and 3 corners. Yes, correct. I am a triangle. Now, question number 2. Rearrange the letters in the correct order to make a word. Now, in this assignment, teacher has jumbled some words of geometrical figures. You have to identify the words and you have to rearrange them. Today I am not going to discuss this answer with you. We will discuss the answer of this in our next session. But you have to write it in your 1-number book, all the 5 correct answer. I am going to check your answers and you are not going to take help of your mother because the answers are very easy. And we have just finished with the names of the shapes. So think and write in 1-number book. We'll discuss it in our next session. Till then, bye. Take care. See you soon.